Hello everyone. As I was showing you on the other video, I didn't get to show you the actual functioning of the uh, switch, which is the ignition switch, right? And then, okay, so the what I was concerned about how to take off those screws, which are very these ones right here. They don't have the option to take it out, so they're like very like it doesn't have the option to for the screwdriver, either flat or Phillips, so I had a little trouble to taking it off. So in this case, the switch the old switch is out, and this is the brand new that we bought from Amazon, and it's pretty much the same one. So what I want to show you is the if you have any questions, just email me and I will be happy to answer your questions. um, Now I'm gonna put everything back, and we're gonna be showing the next video on how the final was, unless okay. All right, so I have my son here, and he's gonna help me with the camera, with how to assemble the all the electrical. Okay, stay tuned.